Store your Skycoin safely using the official Skycoin wallet. Get your Skycoin wallet right now at skycoin.net/downloads. Here, you'll find various download links, including our white papers. For now, download the wallet installer according to the computer you have, whether it's Mac, Windows, or Linux. Install the wallet app once it's finished downloading and start the software. You'll be shown a screen that allows you to create your first Skycoin wallet. If you already have a Skycoin wallet to import, we'll cover that later on in this video. So, give your new Skycoin wallet a name so that it's easier to keep track of multiple wallets. Then write down the seed shown and store it in a safe place. The seed is a series of 12 words that are unique to your wallet and is used to import this wallet in other places. If you forget or lose your seed, you will not be able to recover your Skycoin wallet, so it is very important to keep this seed safe and to not share it with anyone else. Enter the seed back into the Confirm Seed box. You will only be able to create the wallet if the seeds match up. Click Create once you're happy. A pop-up will appear, highlighting the importance of the wallet seed. Once you've read and understood the message, check the box and click Continue. On the next screen, you'll be able to encrypt your wallet with a password. This is not mandatory, but it is highly recommended, as only those with the password will be able to access the wallet and remove the funds. Enter in a secure password for the wallet, and make sure to have that written somewhere safe as well. Confirm your password in the second box. When the two passwords match, you'll be able to click Finish. Your wallet will then be created, and it will appear in the main screen. The Skycoin wallet may need to sync blocks with the Skycoin blockchain, and this may take a few minutes depending on your connection. Once synced, your wallet will also display the total Skycoin balance, as well as the value in US dollars. Click the arrow on your wallet to see more details. You'll now see the wallet's public address, which is the address you send Skycoins to when you want them in your wallet. If you wish to send Skycoins to another Skycoin wallet, click on the Send tab and enter in the relevant details. Please note that there are now advanced options where you can send to multiple addresses, as well as change the coin hour allocation. Go to the link in the description to find a more detailed explanation on how these advanced options work. Now that you've created your own Skycoin wallet, you can receive Skycoin or buy more directly at skycoin.net/buy. You can also create multiple wallets using the Add Wallet option, and each wallet can have multiple addresses. If you already have a wallet and wish to import it, then simply click Load Wallet. You'll be presented with a pop-up where you can fill in the appropriate details using your existing Skycoin seed. Encrypt your wallet, click Load, and it'll appear in the main screen. And that's all there is to it. Keep your Skycoin safe in the official wallet, and get ready for Skycoin to be the #1 blockchain platform in the world.